Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Khalid Danielle. Tonight I'm going to be removing this makeup. I'm going to show you the products that I use and how I use them, so stay tuned. So the first product I'm going to use is Albolene. It's a moisturizing cleanser. It's really good at breaking up that makeup as well as keeping your skin nice and moisturized. So as you can see the consistency of it, I'm just going to rub it all over my face, my brows, forehead, eyes, lips, everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup remover wipes. I'm going to use that to remove all of the moisturizing makeup remover off my face. It just makes it easier and less mess because I can just throw all that stuff away instead of using a washcloth. And I'm all finished. As you can see, all the makeup has been removed from my face. Next, I'm going to follow up with my nighttime skincare routine. Click the link above to watch that video. Thank you for watching. Till next week. Peace.